When faced with the issue of Samsung stuck-on logo, you can check this video to find the solutions to fix it. Fix 1. Perform soft reset. Step 1. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for around 10-15 seconds. Step 2. Keep holding the buttons until the device restarts and the Samsung logo reappears. Step 3. Release the buttons once the device fully powers on. Fix 2. Check the charging port. Step 1. Power off your Samsung device completely. Step 2. Inspect the charging port closely for any dust, lint, or other debris that could obstruct the connection. Step 3. Use a soft, dry brush or compressed air to gently remove any debris. Step 4. After cleaning, plug your phone into a reliable charger and try powering it on again. Fix 3. Boot into safe mode. Step 1. Turn off your Samsung phone completely. Step 2. Power it on by holding down the power button. Step 3. When the Samsung logo appears, immediately press and hold the volume down button until the safe mode watermark shows on the screen. Step 4. Release the volume down button and use your phone in safe mode to troubleshoot apps. Fix 4. Use Android Repair. Step 1. After downloading, installing, and launching Android Repair on your computer, connect your Samsung phone to the computer. Click the System Repair button in the main window. Click the Android Repair option among the 3 options that appear, and then tap the Start icon. Step 2. On the screen that appears, select the correct model, name, brand, carrier details, and country or region. Then click the Next button to confirm the details. Your device's data may be erased. To continue, type 0000. Step 3. Before the repair, follow the on-screen guide to boot your Android device into download mode. Click the button named Next to start downloading the firmware. After the firmware is downloaded, the program will automatically start repairing your Android device. Step 4. Wait for the repair process to complete. Once the repair process is finished, the issue of your device's Android phone getting stuck on the boot screen will be resolved. Fix 5. Factory reset Samsung phone. A factory reset should be your last resort, as it will erase all data on the device. Please back up your phone before factory reset your phone if you don't want to lose your data. Step 1. Turn off your device. Step 2. Press and hold the power plus volume up plus home or Bixby for newer models buttons simultaneously. Step 3. Release the buttons when the Samsung logo appears, and use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe data or factory reset. Step 4. Select it using the power button and confirm. Fix 6. Seek professional help. If all else fails, there may be a hardware issue or a deeper system problem that requires professional attention. Contact Samsung customer support or visit an authorized service center for a diagnosis.